Okay, you can just pry this open with a knife to get the green beans out. Go ahead and pour both cans into the casserole dish. Okay, now we're going to add the cream of mushroom mix into our green bean casserole dish. Go ahead and bring your spatula back over so we can get all of it out.